Hi there, this is Isaac Angel and you're watching Where Are We Going? Welcome to the channel. Today I will show you what I'm doing about the shore power using the Ecoflow Delta. Finally, I managed to get a direct connection to the shore power box that is outside from inside the cabin, and I don't have to run the cable through the windows and exterior. So now I can have direct connection through the dinette area to the shore power box outside, and therefore the Ecoflow Delta becomes my generator that I can charge while driving or at any place with an outlet or solar panels. So watch this. So today I'm going to finally make that connection from the interior of the cabin into the shore power box, which is located outside. In order to do so, we removed the kitchen drawer to see where the box was located, and it was, to our surprise, a plastic box, which is easier to drill. As you can see here, we took an 1.25 inch drill bit, and then we drilled through the plastic. There was almost like 2 inches gap between the box and the dinette bench base. Therefore, first we drilled the hole in the plastic box on the side. Any hole would do as long as your extension cable fits through. So in our case, it was perfectly large enough to accommodate our extension cable. And then basically on the 23L layout, the freshwater tank sits underneath the dinette bench. So we just wanted to get through it, and here you can see we extended the drill bit and continued to drill through the base of that bench. And here you go, we finally made it through. We broke the wall of the bench, so next step is basically to push it further, and as you can see, it's almost like 1 inch of a width, where we had to drill through in order to get to the cabin. You got it. I'm gonna pick it up from here anyways. Okay. And all we had to further do is to stick the cable and get it through. Oh yeah. And that was a big success. Seeing that there was really amazing, because now I don't have to run cables through the windows outside. It just like helps with the incognito situation. I can immediately connect this cable to my Ecoflow Delta, which will reside interiorly. So after managing this, we put back the base to its place. Make sure that you have the seat belts come through the slots, and all you have to do is just basically, once everything is in its place, screw it back to safety, so it's not gonna lift or move. Here you go. We just it's only held by 4 screws, so it was really easy. And then now we're outside in the shore power box, and all you have to do is just get your 15 amp conversion cable, plug it in, plug the RV cable, the power cable, onto this, and that's it. And all I have to go inside and attach the extension cable onto the Ecoflow Delta and turn it on. Just like so. You can also watch my previous video about the system. It's linked above. And as you can see, already the AC is started, and the house battery is at 12.9. Now it's 13.1 because the Ecoflow Delta is actually charging the house batteries. And you can see the high cool, low cool fans, the AC unit is working. You want to go ahead and definitely kill the converter so that the Ecoflow Delta is not depleted by trying to charge the house batteries constantly. And now that it's killed the converter, you can see that it's drawing absolutely nothing. Even though the fan is running, the lights are running, it's just drawing nothing. What do you think?
I love it. I love it.
And you can see I'm even running the microwave. And this is it. This is my shore power.
Yeah.
Hope you liked it. Hope this gave you an idea. And if you did like this episode, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel. And that helps a lot with the algorithms and helps my channel to grow. Thank you so much, and see you on the road.